We are 4HP Cycles. We have a 2000 Honda F4. I'm going to fire it up. There's no fuel tank, of course. Carbs are full of fuel. It will run, maybe 15-20 seconds, but you can hear there's no abnormal noises, and it verifies that everything on the bike works as should. Okay, so there you have it. That verifies that the bike runs. There's no abnormal noises, knocks, pings, anything like that. I'm unable to rev it. The fuel that's in them carbs is probably years old, but it verifies the ECU works. The carbs do work. They probably need cleaned and some fresh fuel, new fuel pump, so on and so forth. So this bike will be available for part out on our website, 4acp.com. And, always feel free to give us a call, 610-521-9444. Thank you.